Go after. To chase or pursue something or someone. Example: the police went after the thief as soon as he ran away. Go for. To try to achieve something or to choose something. Example: he decided to go for the promotion at work. Go for. To try to achieve something or to choose something. Example: I usually go for the chocolate ice cream. Go out. To leave a place, especially your home, to go somewhere for leisure or a specific purpose. Example: they went out for dinner last night. Go away. To leave a place or a person, often to tell someone to leave. Example: they went away for the weekend to relax. Go in. To enter a place. Example: she went in to talk to her boss about the project. Go back. To return to a place. Example: I forgot my wallet, so I had to go back home. Go against. To oppose or resist something. Example: his decision goes against company policy. Go across. To move from one side to another. Example: she went across the street to buy some groceries. Go down. To decrease or move to a lower level. Example: the stock prices went down after the announcement. Go up. To increase or move to a higher level. Example: the prices of fuel have gone up recently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.